Good morning, loves. Hope we've all had a great week. Back with a new project, and this week's transformation is of these two pair of trousers that I chose because they complemented each other. That I transformed to this cute set, which is another favorite addition. So if you'd like to see how I came about to achieve this, then just keep watching. I started by tracing my preferred length of the shorts and cut it out. I then folded the shorts from the center point of the front section and aligned it with the other leg, then measured 5 inches and cut it at an angle from the side joint. Next, I went ahead and adjusted the sides to my measurements. I then trimmed off the excess and placed it aside. Next, I took the other trouser and traced 22 inches down, then cut it out. I saved the top section for a future project and opened up one of the bottom sections and cut strips, then proceeded to join all pieces together, then hemmed one side. I then did pleats as I stitched along and pinned this to the bottom of the shorts and proceeded to stitch them in place. I did zigzag stitches around the joints because I wanted a visible ragged detail to this set. I took one of the remaining bottom pieces of the initial pants and opened it up to have two pieces. I made darts to one piece, which will be my front body space, and cut the other piece in half to make my back piece. I then stitched down the darts and hemmed the top section. Next, I hemmed the middle sections of the back pieces. I then hemmed the top and bottom sections using zigzag stitches. I installed a hidden zip opening from the waist up to allow ease in wearing it. I then joined this to the front body space and stitched down the sides. I saved the hemming of the front piece for last to ensure alignment with the back piece and cut off the excess on the sides. Next, I took the remaining leg piece and opened it up as well and cut it in half to have two pieces. I then trimmed about an inch off the sides, then placed them aside. Next, I took the other leg piece for the other trouser and opened it up, then made 8 strips. I joined these pieces together and hemmed one side, then made pleats like we'd previously done. I took the two initial pieces we placed aside and pressed them like so, then tucked in the pleated strip and stitched them together. Next, I measured 2 inches from the back center joint and pinned these strips on both sides, then tried on the top and secured the front with a crisscross design. I then did zigzag stitches around the top section of the top, then finished off with doing an overlock on the entire top. Remember, this is preference and anyone will be free to use the same color of thread with straight stitches if you're going for a very polished finish. Now with this, I was all done. Here's the final look, which I'm obsessed with and can see myself wearing to a day concert with some sandals maybe. Do let me know your thoughts on the same and if this is something that you guys would add to your closets. Until the next one, I wish you all a lovely and blessed weekend ahead. Bye, loves!